Let's start. So let's look at the things that I've already made. I had made this, right? So what happened was, when you click this, a model starts, and after the model starts, it would access your webcam, and when you hit the click button, then everything after that would be the same as photos. So I did it, but for some reason it is not working, so I'm just adding a coming soon for this. Hopefully I'm gonna this work, but if not, you always have the option just upload your photos. That is one. And what I am also doing is happening cannot run to object. Where is it trying to convert? So I think I know what's happening here. So what I am doing right now is that when you first go visit this website, there is a pop-up where it prompts you to like choose, you know, model size, like the detection mode size, right? So it's everything is mentioned here, and with now what I need to do is I need to store this to my local storage, then access it when I want it, and then I think I need to access it and I need to download it, and everything should be done in the background. And also when I revisit this website, this thing should not pop up again until and unless I specifically tell it to pop up. I revisited this website and the prompt is gone, right? So on that, and there is no error. Yes, I think I know what the error was. I need to work on this. Nice. I think I can achieve this just by doing this. Right. Then what I can do is single, then now I need to look at this thing, the just select and inputs. Color an X text color. Hold. Can I use this? I don't think I can. There was an error. What is not defined? I thought this was the detect change in a model. Huh. So I do something like this. Data with mode message. This, I think this is right. Small. No. Because of value. I think it's because of where do I move this? It was because of that. Look at this. It's medium. Now I want to be selected. Right. I think I need it. Still work. Now, what I need is like map. So small is, let's put all of these things into upload thing. Right. I'll do it in another screen. Oh, shit. What? This is already done. Let's delete all of this. Once delete that. I can export all of those to the session. Yep. Everything. Let's look at it first. This one is for medium. Oh, is for small and large. This one is for large. So now it is get item mode is not equal to this. How do you refresh? Location dot something. Oh, it was location dot href. Small. What? Refreshed. So now what I can do is work by itself is not working. So use this. This. And this one is SO. Yes, it worked by itself. And the database is initialized. But if I go and I just the larger the model, the more accurate the the thing is going to be, the similarities is going to get less what do you say, less thing, less recommendations, similarities. So I think this is it. What is that? Add. I forgot. Like the share thing. Need to add it. Add a share thing. So how do I do it? Canvas image. Should I actually add some music? I felt like it was distracting when I added it, so just left it. What was I supposed to do? There was a thing, add let's see. Yep. So now just need to do is bit and image to canvas is so there is a reason why it's showing 94%, because we're actually using a small model. There are like 3 different models. Now if we go and add a large model, And this is going to take some time. Let's wait for a while. Mm. Is it done? Where is it? I think it's done. Yeah. So once I upload his image and we get 99% similarity. So this is very accurate. Just the model that normally we use is going to be small, so that is the reason. Yeah, so basically what I did was I went through somewhat like I think it's somewhere around 10,000 celebrities images, like 20 images per celebrity. And what I did was I trained all of those celebrities face data, and I converted those images to vector database, and I use WASM to do every like the recognition on JavaScript. There's actually a live stream where I explained how I did it. It was not actually training a model. So let's check if I can find it. So it's 13. Was it? It was 12. Good in time. Yeah, it's very the way I tried to solve this problem is kind of big brain for me. So it's kind of nice to achieve this. How do you add to canvas? Uh, Actually, there is no backend in this project. Like the WASM is written in Go, uh, but there is no backend. It's a backendless program. I did that because I did not want to spend any money on server, hosting. So I did all of it in client side. What I need is mm, I do. Yeah, so what I did was I did not use like TensorFlow. Of course, the face detection part, you need TensorFlow, you need some kind of machine learning, right? Then what I noticed was to find similarities between faces, you just need a thing called Euclidean distance or something like that, right? So it's basically pinpointing every what do you say, the vital points of your face, and then you compare how far or how close those 2 points are, right? So and I happen to just like look at other kinds of databases, and while looking at it, vector database does the same thing, right? So what I did was I trained all of the, like, I located all of the face data of every celebrities, then I stored them in a vector database, and using WASM I just um, like loaded those database into your browser and detect your face data sets and then match it in the vector database vector database. So that is how it works. So it's not like TensorFlow going around, detecting with like a lot of models, but it's just a clever use of data stories. I think I don't know how do you define it. So the wasm part is not even that big. Like uh, so what you do is you initialize the database, right? You get somewhere around here. So yeah, this is it. You fetch the already like exported uh, like database. What do you call the file, right? Then what you do is you send it inside the WASM, right? Then what you do is you just go through this and you convert it to a ZZ reader, because the was the vector database I used uses ZZ reader, right? Then what I did was I just initialized it, and then that's it. I just query it. The storing part is a different case, but the WASM part is very, very straightforward and very simple. this. Now what it is, I need to work on the canvas. So let's go here. Should I call this state? I think it's gonna be somewhere around 5. Do I need to like do it? I don't need to actually. What I do is for now have a canvas that is going to take a full screen. But for some reason this thing is not working. You know, manage to solve this issue. Not determine executable to run. LPX. Do it. What is happening? Understand. Display position fixed. Is it large still? It's nothing. What is happening? Ah. Nice. So let's I need to so you get the context and then draw image. You scale the image. So I need to draw it. And this is okay. Let's do like this. Once you hit export, what it's gonna do is so one is ID. What is and which image did it detect? Right. So now I need to take the image number and create an image. Image number. Get it, I put it here, and then what I do is I and I have this ID, right? So this is the ID of celebrity. So image distance over here, list of images, right? Something like this, right? So on board, I need to create I need to append it. For now, export get element by canvas export dot draw image. Now I need to get text as well. I think 300 would be good now for now. Or let's just not do anything about this, and after this have 0, 1, or I think almost like this. Got this image, but is this. I don't think this is the issue with stuff. And image celeb load is on load. Correct. Yep, it is. You use it. So it's because of this. Yep. But why is this so small? It's scaling it down. How do I do it? So what if I don't have this? It scales up. Oops. So I think I just asked ChatGPT and got a very simple answer. I think this should work. But if both of the images are for now this, right? And then what I am going to do is, in this seems a bit overkill. Or no, I think I need it. Why is my system like that? Have it here. And what I do is this is image 1 and this is image 2. It's going to set timeout ever. So let's add a bit delay, and then what we do is we add to context, but do not have this, right? And so we have canvas that's very small. Work. Image.complete. Let's do this. Onload equals to image celeb.onload equals to draw the images. Now what? So, image 1. Image 1 should be image, and image 2 should be image. It did not work. Why is that? So cannot set property of undefined. That is fair. Image. This. Canvas. Plus export. Big. Just add one for now. Image width divided by 2 is height. Then it's gonna I need to look into this. Oh no, system is lagging or not? I think I'm gonna leave it at this today. I'm gonna look into it tomorrow, off stream. I'm gonna figure out how do you actually draw images that does not look like this, right? And then I will wrap up this project and like release it so that anybody can use it. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone who joined. Night, good morning, or good evening, wherever you're from. Have a nice